Maybe you've been doing too much typing or texting, or you're just using your hands too much at the home or office. We're gonna use the amp12 TRiO to reduce the soreness or numbness that's associated with carpal tunnel. Now, you don't have to be diagnosed with carpal tunnel to receive the benefits of this. Myself, who does a lot on my phone, this feels really incredible. My name is Sarah Kiriconi. Let's begin. To get started, I'm gonna use the softer ball head and go ahead and turn the massage gun on. Then using the amp12 TRiO, you're gonna run up and down the forearm, that muscle in the forearm, for 30 seconds on each side. Then finding the meat in your palm, so it's that center area, typically associated with the thumb muscle, then you're gonna press down 30 seconds on each side in the palm. Switch hands. After turning the massage gun off, placing it to the side and following these stretches. I call them the thumb pulls, 5 to 10 seconds each on each side, each hand. Then wrist rolls for about 10 seconds. So you make a little prayer with your hand and then roll them all around. Wrapping up with a 10-second shakeout. Just let all of that go. That can kind of feel good for stress relief in general as well. Done consistently, you'll have better circulation in your hands, reduce any numbness or pain in the wrists, the fingers, and overall, probably feel a lot more freer in the arms.